Hey guys, today I will show you how to change gender in Monster Hunter World. To change your hunter's gender, you need a character edit voucher. This cannot be done from the item box. Gender changes require the full character editor. If you are on Steam, there is one free character edit voucher available in the Steam store. Any additional vouchers are paid. Each voucher can only be used once and only on one character. After you have the voucher, go back to the main menu, select your save data, and choose Edit Character. This opens the full character creation screen where you can change gender and appearance. It's important to know that you cannot change your hunter's name, and you also cannot change the name or appearance of your palico. And that's how to change gender in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.